So we're going to be doing the baby food challenge. So we have apple, sweet potato, and banana. And yeah. So the point is, we have to try to eat all of it without puking. And I'm actually really scared. And ignore my band-aid, I had surgery. Okay, anyone, it's warm. This is gonna be good.
We should have refrigerated.
Okay, how do you open this?
I don't even know.
Oh, it tastes like applesauce.
Oh, it does. It smells like applesauce.
No, it doesn't.
It was like a weird tangy smell. Doesn't seem fun.
How do babies eat this? Oh. Apple.
Okay, get some in yours. I really don't want to do this.
1, 2, 3.
What is this texture?
Why is it so mushy? I don't know. Okay. Keep eating.
Okay, we didn't exactly go over if we could drink during this.
Hold it in. Save it for the potato. It's gross. Sweet potato sounds disgusting. Excuse my messy hair.
Why did we get the big one of it?
Not that bad.
Nothing happened. The texture is really weird.
It's really mushy.
Apparently Lily's liking this.
I like mushy. I live with babies. I'm gonna eat this. It's really good. Better hurry up. It tastes awkward.
It tastes so weird.
Stone.
I think it tastes like applesauce, but it's not.
It tastes like the really old mushy kind of applesauce.
You really had to put in the old part, okay.
Oh, yeah, you get the K-pop in the background?
Can I drink some of your milk, please?
No! Hold it in!
I don't know why you didn't do this. It doesn't taste good.
I think I'm just about done. Hurry up! Gosh.
No, I'm taking my time.
It's really
Is this
good.
even good for us?
No. Okay, apple's done.
No, hurry.
Yeah, hurry up.
Help me.
No, I don't. Okay. Got my finger.
We really figured out it's not what it is.
Ow!
One last spoon.
You're not even trying to eat that.
It doesn't
Best
taste
by
good.
10 Jan 13. Ooh, it's expired. No, I'm kidding. 14. This one's so sweet potato.
I don't even like sweet potatoes outside of life.
Oh my god, ew.
We're really not eating this, right?
You have to. Oh my god. Oh god, my nose.
Wait, don't eat until I start, okay?
I'm so scared. Look at that. I don't even want to. Ready?
No, I'm not ready. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1.
I can't do this!
Okay, I swallowed it.
Why do parents feed this to their children?
It's a child abuse. No, actually, it wasn't that bad.
It was bad. I can't eat. Oh, I can't do this.
See, that's what I was doing. I'll be classy.
I can't do this. I can't.
You got this.
Have to.
I can't.
No. Okay, guys.
Can I just move on to
No, at the same time, take huge spoonfuls.
Come
And then put it
on.
in your mouth. Do it. I dare you. Do it, do it, do it. Take the biggest spoonful possible.
I'm
Get like
taking
all
the
of it on
biggest,
your
I'm not-
spoon. Get all of it on
I
your
can't.
spoon.
I can't. I will literally.
Alright, ready, ready? 3, 2,
No, wait, hold up.
Do
Okay.
it by
ready?
myself.
3, 2, 1, go.
I can't.
Go, Lily.
I was about to.
Okay, okay,
Wait,
okay.
it's gonna spill everywhere.
Ready? 3, go, go. Get her water.
I can't do that one. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That shit is terrible. Ugh.
Open it.
Lily.
Open it.
That tastes like nothing.
Open it.
What's this, banana yogurt? Wait for me. Oh god. I can already smell it from there. It smells awful.
It's like banana.
It
cream.
smells like banana
Banana
bread.
bread.
It smelled weird though for a second.
Oh my god, that.
Hey, it looks like someone puked on the floor.
I
Yeah.
basically
You can hang
puked over
Joe's on.
there.
Did you pick it up?
It's on newspaper. Oh god. Oh, it's way better than the freaking sweet potato.
Alright, let me try.
Too warm.
It tastes like banana yogurt. Just like tangier. Tangy.
And warm. I like this one way better.
It's actually good. I actually probably could eat this.
I knew for a fact I could not eat the sweet potato. Thank you, banana, for
This
saving
tastes
me.
like something. I don't know what, but it tastes like something.
Kind of tastes like banana bread.
Tastes like banana marshmallows.
Yeah, and as they're eating that, I'm eating gutting a bit. Worms.
This is better.
Yeah. This is actually good. Can we have more? I want more.
You can have more of the sweet potato. I'm never eating that shit again. That
I'm
shit's
good.
terrible.
No sweet potato.
Okay.
Guys, don't try that. Don't try this at home. Actually,
Well-
you should. It's fun.
That's it. So, apple and banana was a success, but sweet potato, stop it. But sweet potato was a failure, as you could possibly hear me
Pretty much.
puking.
Yep.
So yeah, okay. Annyeong.
Bye.